Welcome to our full guide on how to fix WhatsApp video not downloading issues. Let's explore the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this problem. Firstly, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. If using Wi-Fi, consider switching to mobile data or vice versa to improve download speed. Next, clear the app cache for WhatsApp. In your device's settings, locate the WhatsApp app and clear its cache to resolve any temporary download issues. Ensure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Updating the app can provide bug fixes and enhancements that may address the video download problem. Check your device's storage space availability. Make sure you have enough storage to download videos. If storage is full, delete unnecessary files or apps to free up space for downloads. Lastly, try restarting your device. A simple restart can often resolve minor issues with downloading. Turn off your device, wait a moment, and power it back on to see if this resolves the video download problem. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix WhatsApp video download issues, ensuring you can easily access and view your videos. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in resolving any video download problems you may encounter on WhatsApp. Simplify the process and optimize your video downloading experience by following these troubleshooting steps.